Alvin Plantinga has an epistemology according to which rationality is our cognitive faculties functioning as they were designed to do. And he believes that God has given us a kind of innate sense of God's existence, such that when our cognitive faculties are functioning properly, we will instinctively form a belief in God's existence. And so when people do not form a belief in God's existence or deny that He exists, on Plantinga's epistemology, these people are literally cognitively dysfunctional. Their cognitive faculties have been warped by sin or pride or selfishness. They are suppressing the truth in unrighteousness, as Paul would say. And if their cognitive faculties were functioning properly, they would believe in God. So unbelievers, on Plantinga's view, are literally cognitively dysfunctional.